Alright, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. It is time for none other than XLM update. We're going to be talking about what is happening with Stellar Lumens right now and where we could see the price of Stellar going as we do go further into this upcoming week ahead of us. As you can see, the entire market is seeing quite a great day, to say the least. We're seeing a green across the board, but if we're seeing Stellar right now, we're seeing the opposite. But isn't that quite interesting? Because XLM was one of the projects when the entire market was bleeding, because we know that's pretty much what's happening over the past 1.5 months. But over the past week, where we're starting to see Stellar really make its way back towards the upside, outperforming majority of the coins in the top 100 coins. But today it is down about 5.7%, and I'm sure majority of the people already know why that's the case, because the news that a lot of people were waiting for has arrived, and we're going to discuss a lot of things right now regarding Stellar. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So if we're looking at the price of Stellar right now, currently sitting at 12 cents, down 5.6% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative. Also down 8.2% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, $3.3 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 116.5 million. So, it's absolutely insane what the entire crypto Twitter, as far as Stellar community, the way they have reacted today. And it's actually super shocking and quite funny, to say the least. Obviously, I'll get into that. But before we get into that, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So before I even get into this analysis, I want you guys to take 2 seconds out of your time. Go follow me on Twitter. Link in the description box below. You can see it's crypto__ZX. Let's get the Twitter following going crazy. So follow me in my Twitter and come say hello. But now let's take a look at what's happening with XLM. We know what's happening. News was highly anticipated. A lot of people were speculating Apple will be the announcement, which obviously I said, it's quite a big speculation to make. But again, people can dream. But today was this announcement that came out. It says fast check, stashing cash, waiting for remittance, unnecessary overdraft fees, and lack of economic access should not be a norm. You know what's broken. The Stellar network has the toolbox. Build better with Stellar. So basically what Stellar has come out and said is, they have uploaded this beautiful, amazing video. Whoever made this, kudos to you guys. Huge shout out. I loved seeing this. If you guys want to go see it, go check that out on Stellar's Twitter account. But basically what they're saying is that the entire financial system is broken, because people, especially in the third world countries, are sending money to one another, and with all these fees, they can get a hit quite heavy. Maybe that fee is quite substantial for them, and this is where Stellar and likes of Ripple kick in to really make things easier for people. And I really like the take from this person, Ellen. It says a lot of people know nothing about blockchain, and the little they know is what in headlines. But the reality is people are building incredible things, solving really big sticky problems for people around the world, which, as I just mentioned, I feel lucky to help tell their story. So this is a really, really good take, and the way the market has reacted, and I'm not saying this for the people that actually understand how markets work. This is something that really shocks me and should tell you which type of market we're currently in. We were talking about on my channel, pause the video, go watch all my videos. I said, if this announcement is not quite substantial in the eye of majority of the people, or if it's not like something big, people will come out and obviously cause panic and really spread FUD. Not only that, I kept on saying people that got in earlier will close their positions out. There's a real thing called sell the news. And of course, today was the day where the announcement was made, and boom, we did see that drop within the price. And boy, did I get flooded with the comments. Nothing is happening. Stellar is not good. Stellar's not mooning. Why is Stellar not doing this, not doing that? Let's take a break. Look at what's happening with the entire market. We were seeing XLM, one of the projects that was outpacing the entire top 100 coins over the past week. And, people tend to forget that. People want to see these explosive moves in a single day. That's not going to happen. It's going to take some time. Remember, we kept on continuously saying, be prepared. People will close out their positions. And that's what happened. We did see Stellar go all the way up to that 13.4 cents mark and drop down about 10% after today's announcement. So, we're pretty much being supported by this range, and the smart money, they know what Stellar is doing. They know this market is not going to give you gains overnight in terms of life-changing gains. If you are one of those people that think that you will be getting gains overnight, well, let me tell you, that is not for you. Cryptocurrency is not for you. You need to have, a strategy in place. You need to do diligence and research, of course, and always have patience. People without any patience will not succeed in the crypto markets or even in the stock market. So if you think you're here to make a buck overnight, well, let me tell you, that is not what's gonna happen. So you can see this for yourself. We're being supported now by, of course, the previous level of support. But did anything change regarding Stellar? Absolutely not. Stellar continues to evolve, and only smart money understands that. I've seen smart comments coming in saying, hey, you know what? Thank you for the paper hands for them to sell me their Stellar at a cheaper price. And that's a 10% discount for people that have thousands of dollars that they're willing to invest. So a 10% dip is quite interesting and quite substantial for a lot of these people that want to accumulate at a cheaper price. So, that is something that I want you guys to keep in mind. People tend to really take things out of the blue, don't really understand how the cryptocurrency markets work, especially the newcomers. And again, I don't blame the newcomers at all. The newcomers, let me tell you guys something. I don't blame you guys, but remember, there is such thing as sell the news. If the announcement is not quite substantial, like a Visa announcement or like a partner with Google or something like that, that is going to affect the price and people will sell the news. And that happens continuously, but nothing has changed regarding Stellar. This is just the beginning, in my opinion. I think people will be shocked as to what Stellar pulls. And like I said in my other update, Stellar is being spoken about the most compared to, since it's been, out in the markets. I've been in the markets literally from 2016. Yeah, I've seen Stellar literally launch, go up in the 2018 bull run and last bull cycle, and even this bull cycle. And if you come out and ask me when was it being talked the most, it's now, this time around. So if we're looking at Bitcoin did see a beautiful bounce towards 26,500, but again, like I said, we're still in not out of the woods as of now. We're still in the shaky end of the spectrum. We still need to see the price of XLM go back into the 78.6 fib level in order for us to get excited. And Bitcoin dominance is picking up, which I've been telling you guys about. It's not a surprise to me right now. So let me know down below what you guys think. Do you guys agree with my overall take on Stellar? Where could you see the price of XLM going as we close out the year of 2023? I want to hear from you guys. And forget about the price for once. What is your strategy? I want to hear from you guys. What is your current strategy for XLM as of now? That's what I want to hear from you guys. And with that said, of course, like I said, follow me on Twitter. Let's kill it with the Twitter, followings. Go follow me. And yeah, other than that, I will see you guys tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.